Are they? Guess what? They're out of milk. That thing's open.
What do we do? Hello?
You go milk that cow.
Alright.
You can go in. It's no big smart. Come on, they're not mean. No, we should go stand in the middle of it. Oh my gosh.
Dad, don't scream.
So we should go stand in the middle of the cows while you take a picture of us. Be like,
What is that water sound?
that would be
What
me.
should you know? Oh my god.
Okay. So they're clearly not in here.
What's not?